Hi there and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a popular bodyweight fitness trend that has been around for years, planking. It's a simple exercise that can be done anywhere, and it's known to have several benefits. But what will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Is it worth the effort? Well, let's find out. Planking is a simple exercise that involves holding a static position, with your body straight and supported only by your forearms and toes. It's a great exercise for strengthening the core muscles, which are essential for good posture, balance, and stability. Firstly, improve muscle strength. If you plank every day for 1 minute, you'll start to notice several changes in your body. Your core muscles will become stronger, which will improve your posture and help prevent back pain. You'll also notice an improvement in your overall balance and stability, which will come in handy during various physical activities, and also reduces risk of injury, because the plank is a low-impact exercise that doesn't put stress on the joints. It is less likely to cause injury than other exercises that involve jumping or other high-impact movements. Secondly, help to burn calories and lose weight. Planking every day can help you burn calories and lose weight. Planking engages multiple muscle groups, including the core, glutes, and legs, which means you'll be burning more calories compared to other static exercises. And it's also very effective for abs, compared to the other exercises. Thirdly, improve your digestion and reduce bloating. Planking can improve your digestion and reduce bloating. Holding a static position requires you to engage your core muscles, which can help stimulate your digestive system and improve your metabolism. Finally, reduce stress and anxiety. Planking can help reduce stress and anxiety. When you plank, you have to focus on your breath and hold a steady position, which can help calm your mind and reduce stress levels. It also have extra benefit like it can be done anywhere. The plank requires no equipment and can be done anywhere, making it a convenient exercise to add to your routine. And it can be modified in many ways to make it more challenging or easier, depending on your fitness level. This makes it a versatile exercise that can be used by beginners and advanced athletes alike. So there you have it. Planking every day for 1 minute can have several benefits for your body and mind. However, it's important to remember to start with shorter planking times and gradually increase your time as you get stronger. And you should always listen to your body and avoid overexerting yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.